Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer, and welcome back to the currently rather raucous Republic of Venice here in Stellaris, in which we finally figured out how to increase our font size, and it turns out it's to take other people's stuff. In our last episode, we defeated Castile in war. Well, we had a lot of help. Our compatriots are pretty good about sending lots and lots of fleets. Let's see what we got here. Currently, we have a little bit of Big Blue Blob power, but we have a lot of the Iroquois consciousness power sort of hanging out with us here in Venice. We're upgrading our boats. We're waiting for a couple of corvettes to pop out. Actually, one last corvette's going to pop out, and then also we have a heavy hitter class battleship coming out. So that's going to be fun, at which point we're going to continue the war that we also declared on the Papal States. I'm mostly going to let the Teutons deal with them. They have these guys have 2,000 military power coming at the Teutons. It's just not going to go well for them. Not going to go well at all. I decided that, okay, so look, we're only going to be the president for another 6 months? 5 months less? Yeah, it's like 5 months. So we should probably make the most of this. Oh, also, really quick, we're probably at our influence cap, so something I'm going to do... I should spend a lot of it. Let's do this. Edicts list. Let's do, in Venezia, let's go for capacity overload. Going to get a bunch more energy credits, although we don't really need any more energy credits. Looks like production targets. Which planet of mine is giving me the most minerals? Looks like Murano. Alright, Murano. You know what? Give me more. Capacity overload? No. Production targets. Yes. Go. We have a lot of influence, so we might as well use it. Speaking of, so we had a ton of minerals. We had like 3,000 minerals, and I went and I spent it on building upgrades in my many lovely little planets. So, yeah, so there's that. Let's see what else we can do with this. Is there any place that needs to be, I don't know, happier? Maybe, let's see, Corfu. You know what, that ethics divergence should probably be different. Oh no, you've got really good... It's just this guy. He's just unhappy. Maybe he should be happy. This guy's at max. The reason I'm probably not going to spend anything on this is because most of these people are as happy as they need to be. And the few people who aren't can't be any happier. Or can't be much happier. Like, if I did this, they'd probably go up to about 65, maybe 70. That doesn't do me any good. So, Rano, you're one of my biggest production folks. Hey, actually. You know what? Murano? Oh, that'll bring you up to 78. 79. Ah, no. Never mind. Ethics divergence is really low. Actually, it's good. It's negative ethics divergence, so, I don't know what to do with all my influence. Maybe I spend it on policy? Social welfare programs? Ha! No. No, we're not going to do that. Yeah, I don't know. One thing we might do. Spiram. Hey, you guys should be happier. Here, have some propaganda broadcasts. Yeah, now watch this. Now they have... Oh no, never mind. Never mind, they still have positive ethics divergence, but they are working a lot more. That's something. That's something. Okay. So that's playing with that. Okay, so what we're gonna do... We're just gonna declare war on these guys. They have pathetic fleet power. They have equivalent technology. So the Koreans are gonna send very, very few ships at us that are actually pretty good. So let's do this right. Let's take Endust. And Iblaranda. This is a really great way to get more territory. You know, it just works. And you can only do it once every, like, 20 years. For 5 years out of every 20, so we might as well do it right? So, Avior. Let's take it. Bijal. That takes it up to 80%. Now, here's the thing. Muse is going to be too much. Yeah, that's too much. And I can't take Hark because they have 2 different planets there. Do we just go with that? I think we might just go with this. And we're not going to liberate anybody. It's almost the same price. We might as well just do this. Do we want to take one of Hark? Or one of the Hark things? Maybe? We'll have a hash marky little place. That'll be interesting. I don't know how that works, actually. We'll just leave it for now. We'll just leave it for now. Okay. I think we're gonna declare war on these guys. On the Koreans and the Ottomans. The Ottomans are just as bad as the Koreans at this point. So let's do it. Okay. Why not be in 2 wars at once, right? Okay, and then when is my last day? 2292, 322. Okay. Okay. Diplomatic response. What took you so long, Venetian? Let us end this once and for all. And then you know what else we're gonna do? You know what else we're gonna do? We're gonna declare the Aztecs our rivals. Because why not, right? First off, why not have even more influence? We have so much influence. Okay. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to let the Teutons deal with the Papal States. We are going to attack the Koreans as soon as we're sort of done here. It's a new session, so I'm going to turn time up a little bit. And oh yeah, I did star charts with the British. I'm kind of curious what kind of stuff they have. Do they have any more planets? Yeah, they have like... Oh, they have a tomb world. Ooh, hang on. Where is it? Toxic. Nodro 2. Yeah, tomb world. Don't settle tomb worlds. Don't settle tomb worlds. Just don't. It won't go well for you. Because of these guys up here. The Wakegi core worlds. And I'm not sure I mentioned this, but we have our last what are they called? Fallen Empire. And they're militant isolationists, so we just won't settle too close to them. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. So I think we let Venezia do its thing. So first thing it's going to do on Spaceport, it's going to finish a Corvette
System
in 18 days.
Complete. Ships upgraded. Construction complete.
Okay, what just happened? Ships upgraded. Okay. Are all these guys... Let's merge these. Okay. Can I upgrade them? No upgrades available. Sweet. Okay. Murano's not quite done yet. Spaceport of Venezia, you're done. You're done. Okay. Construction ship, where are you? Bronca? Oh, and I just found something out. I thought that was interesting. So, I have Betharian stone in this, what's it called? In this sector. It turns out I can actually use it. I have access to it. So at some point we'll be building some more Betharian stone stuff here in probably Venice, I'm guessing. Because we're probably going to keep, well, we're going to keep Venice forever. And it's definitely our place for cash, right? Now I did just upgrade a bunch of stuff, so we're going to have to replace... You know what? We're going to cancel this. We're going to cancel this, because we're just going to replace this with Betharian stone. Cancel that construction. Okay, cool. And the amount of time it took us to wait that long, we have 425 minerals. I love it. Okay, construction ship. What are you doing? You are going up here. to build a bunch of mining stations. That's what you're gonna do. Where did that 2000 fleet go? The first task force is... Oh, they're attacking... Oh, they're attacking the Teutons. Not gonna go well for you. It's just not. It's just not. Oh. And they ran into a 1.3 power, 1.3k power, what's it called? Space station. So, there you go. Okay, keeping a very close eye on the date. Murano, when are you done? 76 days. That's fine. And it is now 45. 2292. Okay. Korea hasn't done anything. All right. Okay. Let's see what else we do.
Debris
28,
analyzed.
25, 20 days. Trade deal. Trade deal with the big blue blob is timed out. I really wish it would tell me which trade deal we want for trade deal. Is it research agreement? No, it's not that. Is it migration access? Not that we need migration access. There we go. Yeah, they'll do it. Okay. Okay, we gotta be very, very careful. Big blue blob has declared the Papal States their rival. Good! Right in the middle of a war. Ha ha ha! Okay, big blue blob accepts your terms. Oh, good! We actually got more good stuff from that debris. That got us proton torpedoes, phase disruptors. Oh, so good. The Castilians had some really, really good tech. Okay, what's the date on this again? 322. Okay. Murano, when you done? 11 days.
System survey complete.
All right.
Construction complete.
Okay, little fleet. You. Come on over here. Okay. Everybody go here. Yeah. Okay, that battleship is 1100 power on its own. Okay, let's go take a look at... The Aztec Empire fleet power is still superior. I don't know by how much. And I don't know how big a deal that is. And the reason I'm asking this is because... Okay, who's going to be the next president? Yeah, the Iroquois. You know what, Iroquois, I hate to say this, but... You're going to be at war with the Aztec Empire soon. It's going to be your war. Yeah. How's this going? Okay, they did win the war, actually. Or they did win this battle. It's okay, we can deal with them. We can deal with them. Where's the big... Where are these guys? Are they coming? That's the Teutonic Order fleet. Where are they? Okay. Okay, well, we have some decent military power here in Venezia. I still don't know where the big blue blob army is. Oh, they're kind of split up. You'll notice we haven't actually built any armies, but you know what? We won our last war without any, so why bother, right? I think they need to do something about game balance around armies and navies and war score and stuff in order to properly get, what's it called? In order to properly make armies worthwhile. As I said, I just won a couple of wars without any armies at all, so... Oh, just at least one more. Okay. Okay. I can't believe I'm doing this, but... We gotta do this, right? Right. Okay. We want Beskel, Ceradon, and Faginejad. Faginejad. I will never get that right. I may actually rename that. Oh, and Benor. we go. Binor. Ceradon. Both Ceradons. There's actually 2 planets there. I'll take both of those, thank you. That's at 53 war score. Oh, we need Beskell. We don't need Beskell, but we want Beskell. That gets us up to 66 war score. You know what else we're going to take? You know what else we're going to take? Just to be that guy, we're going to take Yelbarasta. Yelbarasta is part of Castile. We were just at war with Castile. Why not just add insult to injury there? So that's 93 war score worth of Aztec Empire that we're going to attack for. Also, we're going to try to take out whatever station is up here. Probably right here there's a station. That's allowing them to sort of claim this territory, which means we'll have access to this area up here, and we will make full use of that. So that is the plan. I'm actually a little nervous clicking this button, but I think we're going to declare war on the Aztecs. We will be in 3 separate wars. Confirm. Let's do it. What do they have to say? What took you so long, Venetian? Let us end this once and for all. Except that you're worth a lot of war score, so we're not going to take you anytime soon. Okay. 3 wars, huh? Okay. Let's turn... No, let's not turn time down anytime soon. Don't need to yet. Whoa, what's this? The Hansa have declared war on the Habsburgs. That's going to get interesting. Yeah, at some point we're going to have to deal with this area, because I don't know what to do with Paros. I mean, I claimed it and all. There's 2 more good planets here. Oh, wow. 3 habitable planets around this gas giant. That's actually pretty cool. I didn't really pay any attention to that. That's pretty neat. That's actually cooler than Ambizia. I like Ambizia. One of the nice things about this war, if we take Yelbarasta, it's going to successfully make sure that we keep Ambizia. Ambizia is right on the border right now, and I don't want it to stay on the border. I want it to be solidly in our territory. So, okay, what are we doing? We're freaking out. That's what we're doing. I'm actually just a little bit shaky. Let's get our battleship in with our fleet. And there we go. Alright. Merge up. Research complete. Okay, so that gets us Physics Lab 3, which is nice. The obvious thing we're going to do here... Oh, module. Synchronized defenses. What's this? Fire rate plus 25%. Weapons damage plus 25%. Oh my goodness. I think we have to. I was going to go for phase disruptors. It's an obvious pick. But... synchronized defenses? It's a rare tech. It won't take us that long. 14 months. Yeah, let's do it. And we have the other ones available to us at any time, so okay. That battleship is really slow. That's okay. Okay, and here come the Teutons. Here come the Teutons. How are these guys doing? Papal States? Yeah, they're just beating up on the Teutons. Good times. This guy's so slow.
Construction complete.
And what do we have now? 7.3k in this army, or in this navy. What do we do first, I wonder? I think we go straight at the, I think we have to go straight at the Aztecs. And I think we do it in this direction. We go up here to Yondu's, or even to Arcturus. We come down into their territory. I want to do most of the battles with them in their in the territory that we're going to keep. So I think we go up to Arcturus, and hopefully all of our allies follow.
Hostile
That's
fleet
really what we
detected.
need. There we go. Never mind. There they are. 6.6k. That's not bad. We can deal with that. Yeah, hostile fleet's present. What are they doing? So they're warp tech, from what I can tell. What are you doing? They're immediately warping out. Hey guys, hey fleets, could you follow? That'd be cool. That'd be really neat. Oh yeah, okay, never mind. Yeah, the Iroquois have their fleets coming, and I think the Big Blue Blob fleet, which isn't very big, and the Teutonic Order fleet are they're coming. So fun times. We are no longer the president. Iroquois, how you feeling? How you feeling, dude? Oh, good times. So fleet detected. Third battle group from the Aztec Empire has been detected in the Zagrafon system. Thank you. Scientist Pietro Ziani has died. That's too bad. Oh wow, we have two rare techs going right now. Okay. Real quick, actually, cruiser assembly yards. That's rocketry or voidcraft. Voidcraft. Do we have any? First off, do we have anybody available? No, we don't. Let's recruit us a scientist. We have no voidcrafts available. Poop. We do have particles. That's gonna be nice. And I think we have a particle tech incoming, so let's do that. Alright, 17%. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, I'll take these guys head on. They may reinforce, but we can reinforce too. What is that? Oh, there's a 10k... Okay, first off, there's a transport fleet and a 10k stack. We're gonna lose Arcturus or something. That's okay though. We'll make them pay a little bit. Go get them. Go get them. Come on, guys, back me up. I mean, we can take this, but back me up. Okay, there we go. There's another 5k coming in. What's going on? Yeah, they're going after Arcturus. I think. No, what are they doing? Yeah, Yatru. They're going after Yatru. We don't even have a spaceport there, so it's okay. We're not going to lose anything there, but they're just gonna invade. We don't have an army there, I don't think. And oh yeah, income 13k worth of whatever they're called, the Teutons.
Hostile fleet detected. Hostile fleet engaged.
Okay, here we go. What other hostile fleet is detected? First and second battle group. Okay, so it's them. Who else? The Korean Directorate. They sent a construction ship. That's cute. And it looks like the, what are they called? These guys. The Papal States are fleeing. So let's check out this battle. You died. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Oh, they jumped out. Where are they going? Oh, shoot. They're going way far away. Do we want to try dragging our fleets up to Arcturus? I think we do that. Let's go up to Yondu's. Let people join us.
Under attack. Enemy troops landing.
Okay, a number of individuals belonging to the pre-sentient native population of Lajkut somehow got into a secure compound. Okay, unfortunate. Minus 300 credits, that's fine. We have the money. Hang on. We have a lot of minerals. Let's... First off, did anything get damaged? We lost a Corvette and they lost nothing. How the heck does that work? Explosive weapon damage. That's a thing. Okay. Let's build Murano spaceport. Give me 2 PD cruisers. Venezia. Build. Bunch of PD destroyers. There we go. And that's our minerals gone. Interesting to note. Okay, construction ship. Da Vinci, where are you? Right there. Okay. Go and build me a mining station. And then shut up! Okay. Okay. Where's our troops? Where's our fleet? Okay. There is a planet being invaded currently. We're gonna lose this planet. It's the way it's gonna be. Yeah, we're gonna lose the planet. and you can't see this guy. He's like, he's hiding, this general. That's kind of funny. And that's the timer. Oh yeah. Here come the Teutons. Oh my goodness. Look at that set of stacks. This is gonna be crazy sauce. Second fleet. Let's wait till everybody arrives. Oh yeah. I think we can take that. Okay. Let's move in. We're gonna lose the planet, but they're gonna lose their fleet.
System survey complete.
Okay, they're coming in. We'll let them engage.
Hostile fleet engaged.
There we go.
Hostile fleet detected.
Hostile fleet detected. Where was that? Is that it? Okay, we got the invasion. We got the fleet combat. Okay. Do a quick check for any other stuff. Okay, there's the okay. There's some more Aztec stuff. They're going to Tinnik or Trinic. It's fine. We'll deal with that in a bit. Let's see what kind of stuff happens here. Then we'll finish after this battle. And they're sending fighters and... Oh, they jumped out. Oh man, it's going to be very difficult to deal with these guys. Are they... What kind of stuff do they use? Do they use, what are they called? Jump gates. He might.
Construction complete. Hostile fleet engaged.
Okay, this is us. Wait, where's that fleet? Second battle group. You should be there. Wait, what's this? Okay, that's a science vessel. Oh well. Come on, guys. Come on, jump in. Jump in. I need all the help I can get. There we go.
Situation
There we go.
updated.
Giant furball. And we have... What is it? Yep, we have debris. Debris in Shura 6 halted. Requires a science ship. Where's that? Oh, okay. Yeah, we stopped doing that. That's fine. And we got some debris from that. Okay, guys. Let's go back. Did we lose anybody? Probably. No, we didn't. Oh, they lost 11 corvettes, though. I think because they jumped out. They have 4... They have 5 battleships in that. Wow, okay. Okay. I would like to get a nice and...
System survey complete. Hostile fleet detected.
We failed to fend off the
Lost
invaders in
invasion.
Yatru. Yes, we did. So that's negative 4%. Okay, that's fine. We'll get them back. Actually, we won't get them back. We'll
Hostile fleet engaged. Hostile fleet detected.
probably will not get them back. What we will probably do is just finish the war.
Updated.
Okay, so what is this? Invasion over. We failed to fend off. Fleet detected. Yep. Fleet detected. Yep. Fleet combat. Okay, whoa. They lost 4 cruisers and 7 destroyers. All they have left is battleships. We didn't lose anybody. Okay, so that's worth some more score. And okay. One more battle and we'll see what happens. Come on, guys. Join me.
Hostile fleet engaged.
And immediately engaged. They will probably lose some dudes here.
Situation log updated.
Okay.
Evading hostile fleet.
Okay. Admiral Silvestro Contarini has leveled up and gained the trait Fleet Logistician. What does that mean? Ooh, ship upkeep minus 15%. Nice. Okay, good for him. Where did they go? First battle group, that doesn't count. It's only 1,500. Yeah, let's go for the 5,000 folks here. Was this Bugatti? Yeah, he's leaving. Yeah, I don't need to know about that. Fleet combat stats. We lost a battleship? Oh, but they lost 5 of their battleships. We lost a battleship. Oh man, we have to rebuild that thing? That was worth a lot. Well, okay, it looks like we have actually finished off some stuff. How's their fleet looking? At this point, it's equivalent. Their fleet is equivalent to ours. We have a lot backing us, though. We have a crap ton backing us. So I think what we may do is try to... Yeah, we'll hunt down this 3rd battle group. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. That's 6 battleships. Ooh, no, that's 6 cruisers. Oh, yeah. That's 6 cruisers. Well, we'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can do next time. I'll probably rebuild a couple of things. Let me take a look at something. They like torpedoes. Well, let's ruin their day. And let's build Murano Spaceport. Not that. Yeah, finish that cruiser, but then build me a PD battleship. There we go. And that is pretty much... Actually, that's not even all of our... that's not even all our minerals. And I'll tell the construction ship to do some stuff. We'll see what we can do. I think we're off to a pretty decent start. We've lost a planet. We'll get it back. It's okay. We'll make them pay really, really hard. Especially thanks to our good friends, the Teutonic Order. We'll do all of that next time. You know what? I enjoyed myself. We're taking it to the Aztecs right here and right now. This will probably increase our font size. You never know. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. I do, in fact, look forward to seeing you next time. Real quick, are you guys still at war with... Yeah, you're still at war with Finland. Oh, Korea, you're so screwed. So screwed. Yeah, they're building up their fleet, though. We gotta get on it. Okay, yeah, next time, kids. Next time.